Hello everyone, good morning 218, it's Miss Sarah. Let's get started on our morning meeting and our calendar today. We are going to start with our good morning song. So we're going to use two hands, two fingers, and let's get started. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good. Thank you for joining me. I loved hearing all your voices. Now let's look at our calendar. There were 2 days that we did not do morning meeting because we had parent-teacher conferences. So we didn't do morning meeting on Wednesday, and it was the number 22. A 2 and a 2 together make 22 with our rainbow. And we didn't have morning meeting on Thursday, and that was number 23 with another rainbow. So if yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday. Very good, you guys. Today is Friday. Now I have 2 rainbows in a row. So what is my picture going to be for my pattern today? Let's think. Rainbow, rainbow, umbrella. Very good, you guys. So I'm going to take my gray color pencil and I'm going to draw an umbrella. Very good. Now let's talk about what number we are going to put for the date on the calendar. Yesterday was the number 23. What do I need for my very first number? I see that there's a 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, I'm going to need a 2. Very good. What is going to be the next number? Can anyone tell me? I think I hear some correct answers, but let's count it out and see what number we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Very good. 2 and 4 together make the number 24. We have had 24 days in the month of April. Very good, you guys. All right, let's say the date. Today is Friday, April 24, 2020. Today is Friday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Thursday, tomorrow will be Saturday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Very good, you guys. Now let's do our days of the week song. Remember, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So get ready to sing the song with me. Hold up your fingers. We need 7 fingers.
Seven days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week.
Good, everyone. So for today's activities on our lesson plan for our remote learning, for literacy and reading, we really just want to focus on name writing today. Today that's our focus. It's Friday. Another thing we want to focus on today is just counting out loud to 25 times. We can do that together right now. So when you count out loud to 20, make sure that you're giving each number a name and that we're not rushing through counting. Let's do a practice round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then I do it again, and again, and again, and again. Very good. Today for science and social studies, I want you guys to go outside and see how many animals you can see. Any kind of animal you find, whether it's a ladybug, ants, those are insects also. What about squirrels or birds, or maybe there's a bunny that lives in your backyard? I want you to see how many animals you can count, either when you're on a walk with your family, or maybe you're sitting on your front porch or in your backyard. So whatever you're comfortable with, I would love everyone to go outside. Another activity you guys could do today, since it's Friday and it's been a long week, just take 10 minutes to do a quiet activity as a family. You can turn the lights off, you could have your child color, or you guys could all just lay there. You don't have to go to bed, you don't have to do anything like that, but just really taking that time to relax and remember that it's important to stay safe and healthy during this time. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me or Mrs. Lily know through the Remind app or on the email. Our active hours, office hours during the week are 9 to 11 a.m. That is when we are the most active on our emails. But if you have any questions, please feel free to remind us. It might just take a little bit of time for us to respond. I hope everyone has a very safe and happy weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday.